Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not you can connect the Razer Barracuda X to Synapse. In order to do so, here we are at Razer.com and we're looking at the Razer Barracuda X. And according to AI, no, the Razer Barracuda X is not supported by Razer Synapse. However, it is supported by the Razer Audio app for Android and iOS. And if we scroll down here on the Razer page, then you can see for yourself that there is a link here to get the Razer Audio app. You can download that on the App Store and on Google Play as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description for this video, you will find a link to our link tree where you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinar, as well as promotions and recommendations for our top AI solutions, including Sintra AI, Cider AI, and EnzoBot. Take a look at those, click on those links. You'd be helping us out and we would greatly appreciate it.